Now, advances in footwear have helped revolutionize the track and field, leading to faster times and a flood of record-breaking performances. The sport of swimming has followed a similar path. However, as Garfield Jones reports, advances in swimsuit technology and better coaching techniques are playing a major role in the new era of speed in the pool.
From local meets to the world stage, swimming times have been dropping at a consistent rate. Sports scientist says this is a result of a combination of better coaching, data-driven training, and technological advancements. Head coach of McMaster University swim team, Gray Fairley, thinks modern coaching is a contributing factor.
Because we're getting better and better as coaches at understanding what the athlete needs on a day-to-day basis. And that's unlocking potential. Every athlete is a little bit different. Some respond better to really hard work all the time. Sometimes it has to be hard work at very specific times because it takes a little longer to recover. So as coaches, we're better. The athletes aren't better. I can 100% tell you that. It's really the coaches have a better understanding of what they need to do. And so because of it, we're better.
According to Coach Fairley, the use of new technology in training has contributed to faster times by the swimmers.
Yeah, and so I think it's also we're using other sports to figure out, hey, you know, this is another way that we can look at things. And the equipment, so we have some equipment right now that's being used in the pool that are banned so that they can feel the speed, right? And they don't have to be perfect on that day to feel the speed so that they can make adjustments at speed. So that's that aspect that I can say that when I was swimming, I never had, right? And I was a very good swimmer back in the day, we'll say about 30 years ago or so. But the reality is that the techniques that we have in training as well as the equipment makes us better.
Veteran swimmer Michelle Wang says contemporary athletes have greater access to scientific information and a better understanding of how to apply it.
I think especially in any speed-based sport, we kind of learn from each other. People push the techniques to, the edge of human performance, and everyone gets a little bit faster. We learn from each other, we pick things up. You can watch as the strokes change throughout the years, and yeah, just that progression, right? So we learn about the physics of it, the mechanics of it, how to take care of our bodies better, how to fuel better, all those kinds of things, and you just become a better swimmer overall.
Team captain Preston McMahon says it is a combination of good coaching and an improvement in technology.
I think it's a lot of the science, a lot of the coaching. I feel like a lot of swimmers, such as Summer McIntosh in Canada, she's brought a lot of media representation to it, which has definitely improved the funding and the media attention towards swimming, which kind of in turns means that more people are going to do it. You're going to find more talent out there that wouldn't have known to do swimming otherwise.
A total of 10 long course world records were broken in 2025. Garfield Jones reporting for TVJ Sports.